A setback tonight for one woman's effort to help others get something to eat. A community fridge for families who've needed help because of the pandemic is now missing. But as CBS 4's Ty Russell shows us, it did not take long for a new fridge to show up.
This is cell phone video showing a Miami-Dade community in need for food. Some depend on outside refrigerators like this one, but Tuesday night, one was stolen.
I just got the phone call and definitely was disturbed about it, and I've been kind of torn ever since.
Sherina Jones started the community refrigerators. Ahead of Thanksgiving, someone took the one near Roots Collective in Liberty City. Wednesday, during a food giveaway, volunteers moved an overflow fridge outside. And after her initial shock that one was gone in a community that needs it badly, her answer, quite frankly, shocked me.
You can see that it's a need. Someone may have needed it more than us sitting in outside, so we'll just keep going, and we just hope that it takes care of what they needed.
You may remember Jones back in August. We first talked to her about placing refrigerators outside. She dropped $180 of her own money. She's even there every morning helping hand out food. Others will fill it, and many will take as needed throughout the day and night.
We started the community refrigerator because things are so tough in a pandemic, so it took a good takeoff, so we continue on the mission.
That mission to help others is happening throughout South Florida. From above and on the ground, a heartbreaking sight. Many waited hours for a chance to gather food to feed their families.
Very difficult. Kids at home doing schoolwork, no job, nothing, can go anywhere. It's very, very difficult.
To put that into perspective, in October last year, the state had close to 500,000 more jobs. So that means now more families are struggling.
Here to give back. I was born and raised in this same neighborhood, and like, it's only right to keep giving back.
Just like others, Jones says as long as there's a need, she will be there to help, and that goes beyond Thanksgiving. Usually in stories like this, we're asking you to call Crime Stoppers to help, but instead, volunteers are asking for your assistance in filling the fridge. And for more information on that, we have it on CBSMiami.com. In Fort Lauderdale, I'm Ty Russell, CBS 4 News Tonight.